How to delete your TikTok account. Open the TikTok app and make sure you're already logged into your account. Tap the three horizontal lines and choose Settings and Privacy. In the Settings and Privacy menu, choose Account. Scroll down and look for Deactivate or Delete Account. Tap on that. You will be provided with two options. Make sure to choose Delete Account permanently. TikTok may ask for your reason for leaving. You can skip this. TikTok will guide you through the process. Just follow the prompts and click Continue. TikTok will send a verification code to the email address associated with your account. Check your inbox for this code. It might look something like this. Enter the verification code into the space provided on the TikTok app. After entering the code, follow the remaining prompts to confirm your deletion, and that's it, your account is deleted.